How to check email password on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Passwords application on your device. You will then be required to enter your biometrics, so enter your Face ID, your Touch ID, or your passcode. Once logged in, tap on the search option you see there, and now in the search bar, search for Google, and then scroll through and navigate to the Google account password that you want to check. Simply tap on it and then tap on the password option you see there, and with this you will be able to view the password. So this is how you can check email password. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.